Alright, so this video will be about how to make video editing portfolio for drop servicing business. I will show you the good and the bad examples, how to structure it, and how to create samples to showcase your work. Why is this important? Is because if you have low quality portfolio or you don't have anything to show for your clients, that means you will get less responses and less clients in the end. So you want to invest your time and resources into creating the best possible work to showcase what you can do for them. Now, what to do if you don't have any prior experience or you don't have any testimonials. So hopefully you watched my previous video and you started building your team. If not, then go back and watch my previous video. So once you have your team in place, then you can start leveraging their testimonials and their prior experience. You want to really nail this down, prepare the samples, and then you want to structure it nicely into one document. So let's get into my computer. I will share my screen and I will show you the good and the bad examples. Alright, so all the portfolios that I will show you are from the people who applied to my job previously. So this video is for educational purposes, and if that's your work, so just take this as inspiration and my feedback to you so you can improve and hopefully get more clients in the future. Okay, so this is the first portfolio that we will be reviewing. I received a link directing to Google Drive folder where I found a bunch of different videos. So this is the lowest quality portfolio that I have seen from all the other applicants, and let me tell you why and how you can improve this. So the first thing is that all of the videos were unrelated from each other. For example, there are some memes, AI generated content, there is talking head video. The quality of the videos was very low. For example, this one, it doesn't require as much editing, so it's just like general video, right? What is wrong with this is that you really want to show the best quality of work that you can do, and you do not want to waste time of your clients, right? So if they are reviewing your work, they are giving you their time and they are making the decision before even contacting you. So you really want to make the best impression you can, and you want to show only the best videos that you can do for them. Another thing is that you really want to think about what is your target client avatar. So for example, if you are targeting e-commerce businesses who are creating organic content and they are promoting products, in that case none of these videos would be relevant because none of these videos are promoting or selling a product, right? Now if you are targeting online coaches, creators, or consultants, all of them would be creating talking head videos mostly. The videos that I see in this portfolio, there is just one talking head video. So you really want to think about your client avatar and then create videos specifically for that person, what kind of content they would be creating, right? So another thing is that one video was uploaded 3 times, you can see right here. So that doesn't give you credibility, right? It just shows you that you don't have attention to details and you make a mess even in your portfolio. So imagine what kind of mess you would create in their business, right? So you really want to make it clean. You want to give it attention to details. You want to make it look aesthetically looking nice. So that means you want to structure it and you want to give some context. So you can create a nice document where you can describe the videos, what you did and how did they perform. So let's take a look at the second. So this is another portfolio. So this person created a Canva slideshow and he was giving a little bit more context. So in this case, he highlighted his skills and his services, what he does. Then he showed different videos. So adding also the headline, explaining the context of this. And he also showed different sizes of content. So that's a pro. You can do that. You can show different sizes and you can add some headlines to give the context to these videos. But in terms of quality, these videos would need improvement because that's only captions right here, right? That's highlighting only caption edits. But this is a very low barrier to entry because anyone can go to CapCut, upload their video and auto-generate their captions, right? So it doesn't require as much editing. So you would really want to put a little bit more effort into this. Then there is another slideshow highlighting a couple more videos. Then there is a couple more videos and a couple more videos. So overall, this portfolio is good, but you can still do better than this. So this portfolio is an exceptional example how you can highlight your expertise. So the only one thing that I would do differently, I would focus on one service at a time and I would not mix them together. So in this case, this person created social media management, content creation, Instagram growth, video editing, graphic design, all in one portfolio, right? And that's why it has 40 pages. But I would suggest you to focus on one service and create a specifically targeted portfolio for that type type of client. But overall, this portfolio is excellent example. So let's take a look. So it starts with the client feedback right here. He has some testimonials from his clients. Then it shows the client accounts that he worked with, and it highlights the services that he provided. A couple more accounts right here, a couple more accounts right here and here. Then it shows before and after. So that's a really powerful example because it shows the growth of the accounts. It highlights the hashtag strategy that it works. So it shows that the videos were ranked high on this high volume hashtags. It shows the system that he has when it comes to selecting hashtags. Then it highlights different parts of the changes that he made. So for example, optimizing profile photo, optimizing user handle, right, the name, call to action, highlights, adding the link, and so on. Another example right here. Then it shows content calendar, how he structures all the posts for the month. It shows the statistics of the posts. Then again, it shows the growth statistics of the account. Then it shows some graphic design, how he matched the colors and the branding all together. Then it shows some carousel posts right here. It shows some Instagram reel covers right here. Then it shows some TikTok views and the statistics. The only thing that I would add on right here is I would make the video clickable so people can click on it and they can watch the video. Another one right here, another one right here, another one right here, and you see the views are just 5,000, so it doesn't have to be that much views. It's just how you structure it and how you present everything all together. Then it shows some YouTube management, so the account that he was managing. And it shows 5-step process that they go through within 2 weeks when working with the client. Now, how to create samples for your portfolio. So if you don't have any content, so what you can do is you can do some research and to find some viral video examples from other creators. So in this case, I found Nat Jangsala, who created this video with Kai Senat, which I really liked, and this video got a lot of views and a lot of comments. So it was proven that it works and people like it. So it was before and after clip, which was looking like this. And I really liked the edit, and the topic of the video was really interesting. So I went on YouTube, I found exactly the same podcast when they were discussing exactly the same moment of the video, and I created before and after clip, just same as Nat Jangsala did. This is basically how you create your samples, right? So you don't really need to have any clients. You can just find a podcast clip and then to create a high quality edit, and then you can showcase your work this way if you don't have any prior clients. So the next video will be about how to get clients and how to do the outreach. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for watching.